Welcome back to the channel, a World Earthquake Update. We're heading over to South America to the beautiful country of Colombia, where on August 10th, 2026, they experienced a powerful 7.4 magnitude earthquake at a local time of 7:34 a.m. at a depth of 67 miles under the Earth's surface, which is a shallow focus earthquake, and the epicenter is 4.9 degrees north and 76.1 degrees west. Using this image courtesy of the USGS, geographically this epicenter is located in the Choco department in the western portion of Colombia, about 150 miles west of the capital Bogota, and elevation about 13,000 feet. It is within the Colombian Andes mountain range called Cordillera Occidental, which is the smaller of the three ranges that go through Colombia, and it occurred near the Cerro Tatama mountain, which is the highest peak within the Cordillera Occidental. And in terms of population, it occurred near a small town called San Jose del Palma, which is a mountainous small town, but the majority of the large cities are not near the epicenter. Now, tectonically, this earthquake was a consequence of a convergent plate boundary between the Nazca Plate, an oceanic plate, and the South American plate. The Nazca Plate is moving to the east at about 5.5 to 6 centimeters per year, and the South American plate is moving to the west along Columbia Trench, or the South American Trench, whereby the Nazca Plate is subducting under the South American plate at a certain angle of the subduction slab, whereby the energy was released at about 67 miles under the Earth's surface. It occurred on the North Andean Block, which is a microplate, or basically a sandwiched piece of lithospheric crust in between two larger plates, the Nazca and the South American, and to the north, the Caribbean plate. Now here we have the USGS overlay looking at historical earthquakes in the region, and to the west we have the shallower earthquakes, and where the earthquake occurred, the 7.4, we're seeing deeper earthquakes shown by the gray circles indicating the deeper focus. Now we have the MMI contours of the earthquake's energy and who felt it, and the intensity of the shaking, and we're seeing here that majority of the western part of Colombia experienced and felt this earthquake with moderate to strong shaking, and to the east, where most population is, it diminishes with moderate shaking or minor shaking. There has been a couple of smaller earthquakes in recent history, but this 7.4 is one of the biggest earthquakes Colombia has felt in around 120 years.